How to invest in crypto presale before they blow up. Stay tuned in the video and find out.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Imagine this for a second. You hear about new crypto token before anyone else. You decide to take a small risk and join the pre-sale. Weeks later, that token lists on a major exchange. Influencers are shilling it everywhere and the price has skyrocketed by 50 times, maybe even 100 times. Suddenly, your small $200 investment is worth $10,000 or more. That's the power of pre-sales, getting in before the crowd. But here is the truth. For every success story, there are countless failures, scams, and wasted opportunities. The difference between winning big and losing it all comes down to where you look, what you check, and how you manage the risks. And that's exactly what I'm going to break down in this video. The best pre-sale platforms to watch in 2025. The checks you absolutely must do before investing, and the risks you need to prepare for if you want to survive and profit in this space. Now let's start with the basics. Where do pre-sales actually happen? If you're only browsing Twitter or Telegram, you'll miss a lot. You need to go straight to the platforms where pre-sales launch. And here are the top spots you should know. PinkSale. This is one of the largest decentralized pre-sale launchpads, especially for BNB chain projects. Almost every day, dozens of new tokens appear here. You can filter projects by categories, meme coins, DeFi, NFTs, utilities, and you can even see how much money has already been raised. But here is the catch. Anyone can launch a pre-sale here. That means PinkSale is full of gems, but also full of scams. Treat it like a gold mine. You'll need to dig through a lot of dirt before finding something shiny. Next up, Pump Fun. This one explodes in 2024 with the rise of Solana meme coins. Pump.fun is basically a factory for fast, community-driven launches. Projects here often start as memes, but some grow into massive brands overnight. The high speed and hype make it exciting but also very risky. Think of it as the Wild West of crypto pre-sales. Let's Bonk, another Solana-based platform that leans heavily on community engagement. It's similar to Pump.fun but with a bit more structure. If you love Solana and meme-driven launches, this is a platform to watch. Believe app. This one is more utility-focused. Instead of being a playground for memes, Believe is designed for more serious projects. Apps, platforms, and tokens with real-world utility. It's a good spot if you're tired of chasing hype and prefer something with fundamentals. Moonshot. The name says it all. This platform positions itself for investors hunting the next 100 times or 1000 times play. Many high-risk, high-reward opportunities show up here, but remember, the higher the moonshot potential, the higher the chance of crashing back to Earth. Launch Lab by Radium. If you're bullish on Solana, this is must-watch. Lab Launch is structured, professional-grade launchpad. It focuses on carefully selected projects and has stricter requirements, making it safer compared to free-for-all platforms like PinkSale or Pump.fun. And beyond these launchpads, don't forget CoinSniper. It's an aggregator where projects pay to promote their pre-sales at the top of site. This can be a good place to spot hype early, but remember, promotion doesn't equal legitimacy. Always check deeper. And what to check before entering a pre-sale. This is where most investors fail. They see a shiny new project, jump in blindly, and then wonder why their tokens are worthless. To avoid that, here are the non-negotiable checks you need to do before investing. Is the team doxed? Do they have LinkedIn profiles or is everything anonymous? A public team builds trust, but keep in mind, even doxed teams can fail. Anonymous teams aren't always bad, but they add another layer of risk. The white paper and utility. Does the project actually have a purpose? Read the white paper. Does it clearly explain what the token will be used for? Or is it just a recycled meme with buzzwords? Utility doesn't guarantee success, but lack of utility almost always ends in failure. Tokenomics. Check how the tokens are distributed, what percentage goes to the pre-sale, how much is reserved for the team, and is there a vesting schedule. If the team holds 50% of the supply with no lock, they can dump on investors at launch. Look for fair allocations, liquidity locks, and transparent vesting. Community strength. Go to their Telegram, Discord, or Twitter. Is there genuine excitement and conversation, or does it feel botted? A strong, engaged community is often the backbone of a successful project. Audit and security. Some platforms like PinkSale allow projects to add small contract audits. If you see an audit, that's a plus. If there is no audit, proceed with caution. Roadmap and vision. Does the roadmap make sense? Are there actual milestones or just vague promises like, we will list on Binance soon? A clear, realistic roadmap shows professionalism. Now let's talk about the part nobody likes to hear, the risks. Presales are exciting, but they are also one of the riskiest bets in crypto. Here's why. Scams and rugs. Unfortunately, some projects are designed to steal money. The presale ends, the devs disappear, and investors are left holding nothing. Liquidity issues. Even if a presale sells out, if the liquidity isn't properly locked, you won't be able to trade. Always check if the platform shows liquidity lock info. Overhyped projects. Just because everyone is promoting it doesn't mean it's good. Market conditions. Even strong projects can fail if the overall market crashes. Timing matters. If Bitcoin dips hard, presale usually suffer. Liquidity after launch. Some presales deliver tokens but delay listing, leaving your investment stuck for months. Be prepared for patience or frustration. That's why my number one rule is simple. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Treat presales as high risk, high reward plays. So if you want to catch the next 100 times project before it blows up, keep your eyes on platforms like PinkSale, PumpFun, Let's Bonk, Believe, Moonshot, and Launch Lab. Plus aggregator sites like CoinSniper. But don't just chase hype. Do your research, check the team, the tokenomics, the roadmap, and the community before putting in a single dollar. In pre-sales, timing is everything, but wisdom is what keeps you in the game. And remember, the early bird may catch the worm, but the smart bird survives long enough to enjoy the meal. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel, like it, and put notification on. Join these websites, check for yourself, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.